to buy products from China but do not know how to start. Maybe you've heard of 1688 and you don't know how to navigate it, you don't know how to do things, you don't understand how to ship from China to Nigeria. Well, in today's video, I'll be putting you through a step-by-step guide on how you can import from China to Nigeria using the Womata app. Now, I'm just using this as like a mic. There's nothing there is no mic. I'm just using it as a mic for me to look as if I am teaching and for me to put myself in the mood. Like, I feel this is one way I can put myself in the mood. So yeah, I'll be using this. And please, I want to tell you up front, there might not be screenshots. As I'm making this video, I don't know if there's going to be screenshots. I have two phones, but both of them are always reading low storage. Once I get back to Lagos, I will get a flash drive, I'll be USB, so I'll be able to transfer videos and some documents into the flash drive, so I'll be able to have space. My phone is always crying of space, so I might not make screenshots. There might not be screen record of anything, but trust me, this is self-explanatory and you understand it. Trust me, just wait, listen, you understand it. Hi, my name is Oluwatoyin. Welcome back to my channel. Kindly subscribe so you see this face more often. Now let's get started. First things first, what is Womata? Womata is a Nigerian-based platform that helps people import goods from China wholesale marketplace, especially 1688. This means you don't need a Chinese account or an agent in China because Womata takes care of everything. Now, the second aspect is the collaboration with Womata. Womata is in collaboration with Sky Cargo. Okay, Womata is responsible for the ordering and the payment of goods, while Sky Cargo is responsible for the transportation of goods. If you don't know Sky Cargo, Sky Cargo is a Nigerian freight and logistic company. We all know that they are popular. It's a logistic company that is in charge of bringing goods from China down to Nigeria. So this Sky Cargo and Womata, they are in collaboration. So when you buy things from Womata, that means you pay and you order on Womata. Sky Cargo is the one in charge of the transportation of goods from China to Nigeria. So there's nothing like, so how will I ship? You don't need to think about it. Once you just place an order, it will definitely get to Nigeria and you will definitely be getting a notification for you to come pick up. I don't know if you understand. Sky Cargo is a logistic company in Nigeria that deals with transportation. They are very popular for the transportation of goods from China to Nigeria. So Womata helps you deal with the ordering and the payment, while Sky Cargo help you with the transportation of goods from China down to Nigeria. They offer two methods of shipping: air shipping and sea shipping. Air shipping takes 5 to 14 days, while sea shipping takes 30 to 45 days. Now down to the main deal. This is the main aspect of the video where you have to listen well. Please, there might not be screen record because, like I said, I'm having storage issues. Before this phone can even film, I almost deleted everything in my life for me to be able to film. So it is self-explanatory, so you don't really need screen records. Now, this aspect we are in now is how to import your goods from China to Nigeria with Womata. First of all, go to your Google Play Store or your Apple Play Store and search Womata. Download the app and sign up if you have not signed up before. Sign up or log in, that's if you have an account before. But if you don't, sign up with your email and your phone number, and yes, of course, you get verified. Now just go to your dashboard. You are in the dashboard already. You will see different things. You will see 1688 mall. That means 1688 app there. Now let me explain something. Womata wants to make importation easy for people. That's why they brought 1688 into their app. So 1688, you see that place they call 1688 mall is 1688 app itself. So just tap on it and either you browse through the page or you search for whatever you like. You want to search for bags, you want to search for lip glosses, different things. Search for whatever you like on the once you click the 1688 marketplace, you search for whatever you like. And when you've chose different things you want, you've added to cart, your cart is there already and it tells you, oh, the amount is 82,000 naira. Next thing for you is to fund your Womata account. There is an account there. All you need to do, okay, your cart is 82,000 naira, like your total amount is 82,000 naira and you want to check out, you need money, right? Now click on wallet. Once you click on wallet, then select deposit funds. Then seeing the deposit fund, you will see some account numbers there. That is your, like, you see account number there and everything you need there. You will copy it, then go to your maybe bank app or anything you want to use. Either you want to use USSD code, you want to use bank app, go there and put in those information and you transfer the money. Let's say in your card is 82,000 naira, you can transfer like 83,000 or 82,500. Then it will reflect your Womata fund account, like in the account there. Then you go to your card and all you need to do is to check out. That's it. You've made payment on Womata. Then you choose the shipping. If you want air shipping or you want sea shipping, you select the shipping you want. That's it. That is how you've imported goods from China to Nigeria. Now once you choose any shipping you want, either air shipping, like I say, it takes 5 to 14 days, or sea shipping, which actually takes 30 to 45 days. I have made 2 videos earlier about Womata, so please go there, go to those videos and watch very well. I actually made videos on how you can fund your Womata account, so please go and watch those videos, either 2 or 3, I can't remember, but I've made some videos about Womata in the past, so please go and watch it. Okay, so once your goods get to Nigeria, you will receive a notification and you'll be going to Sky Cargo warehouse here in Nigeria. Then you go there and collect your goods. Now please and please, I want to tell you something. Because you've paid on the app does not mean you will not pay for your shipping fee. Shipping fee is not included. Okay, your shipping fee is not included with the money you paid. All you've paid is the procurement fee and your total fee for the items you bought. When you get to Nigeria, you go and pick up in their warehouse and you make payments for your shipping fee. Okay, so Womata saves you the stress of looking for a procurement agent. Like normally, if you want to buy things from China here, and you go on 1688 app and you choose something, you have to copy the link and send to your procurement agent. Now, the total amount of whatever you buy, my procurement agents collect 5% of your total purchase. There are some procurement agents that collect 8%. I know some that collect 7.5% of your total purchase. So you ordering on Womata will even save you the stress of sending link to procurement agents. Womata will actually save you the stress of always sending to procurement agents, always having issues with your shipping company, always having different issues with different shipping agencies. We already know Sky Cargo is in charge of Womata's transportation, so there is nothing like there's going to be a delay or any kind of stress. Do you understand? So if you are a beginner, this will actually save you, this will actually help you a lot. I hope you understand. So you can see that you don't even need screen record for anything at all. It is very, very straight to the point and understandable. I know you've learned a lot from this video. If you have any questions for me, please leave it in the comment section and I'll be happy to reply you. My name remains Oluwatoyin. Please like this video and of course subscribe to the channel. Like, why you not subscribe to the channel. We'll see you again tomorrow. Tomorrow, we'll see you again in the next video. Bye.